Good morning, this is Dr. Jeff Hanna at Atlas Chiropractic. Today what I want to talk about is what I call the halo. And the halo refers to this area of the body. And it's because the structures that we have ultimately affect the brain and the central nervous system the exact same way. So what we have, of course, are the top vertebrae in the neck, the atlas, the axis, the C3. Well, what we also have is the jaw, or TMJ, stands for temporomandibular joint. And if we come across to the front, we also have the top part actually of the skull itself. In particular, it's a little bone that's called the sphenoid. And what we find is that if a person has an issue with any one of these three areas, it's going to affect the brainstem. And so I talk a lot about, in other videos and in other readings, about something I call the combination lock. The combination lock is that if a person has more than one thing going on, in order to get the health outcome that they're looking for, they need to have all of those elements addressed in the correct order before they see any change. So the point of this that I want to raise is, for all of the information that I present and talk about the importance of the upper cervical region, you can also take any one of those books, articles, or videos, substitute the word atlas for TMJ or for skull, and it still will be 100% accurate. Why? Because things with the TMJ affect the exact same part of the brainstem as if the atlas goes off. Now, it's terribly important to make sure that, okay, if you're experiencing symptoms, problems along these lines, which one of the three is it doing? Because problem with the upper neck will affect the TMJ. If problem with the TMJ can affect the neck. And so if a person has more than one thing going on, you start to develop this vicious cycle where you need more than one thing to ultimately allow things to settle down. So the importance of understanding the neurological integrity of what is happening in this particular area of the body called the halo is critically important for any person who's, number one, experiencing any symptoms or problems in their body, or number two, simply put, wants to stay well to make sure that everything is working as well as it should be. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this little video today on the halo. As always, you have two responsibilities. Number one, like this video, please share on Facebook or any other social media that you enjoy. But number two, if in listening to this, you've thought of either yourself or some other family member, friend, somebody who you know would benefit by having this information, you have the responsibility now to share that with them. Thank you very much for listening. This is Dr. Jeff at Atlas Chiropractic.